Hey everybody, my name is Ben Linval. I'm a music producer based out of New York City. Today I'm going to show you the Code Knobs version 3 program editor for the Tetra, the Dave Smith Instruments synthesizer. I'm just going to go ahead and start showing you how to shape a bass sound with the plugin. What you're hearing is my synth plugged into my interface, and what you see is me controlling that synth with this GUI from Code Knobs. So I've dialed in a little bit of just a very simple bass line, and I'm gonna run it and show you how it works basically without saying much. So here we go. I'm gonna load up a very simple basic patch. Okay, and then I'm just going to go for it and try to come up with a bass sound and let you just listen. Okay, so there you go. I basically just used the oscillator section to stack some oscillators, one at C1, one at C2. I turned the sub bass up on the higher octave. I shaped the sound with the filter envelope. I opened up the release and the sustain on the voltage controlled amplifier. And I didn't do much else. As you can hear, it's pretty quick to dial in a sound.